Hello guys, my name is Ramos from Ramosa TV. Welcome so much. If you're new here, consider subscribing. A perfect platform for scholarship details. Today specifically I'll be talking about the Swedish Institute Scholarship for Global Professionals, which is full funded scholarship awarded for masters to study in Sweden. And in this scholarship, they offer about 300 scholarship chances for masters, and the coverage is full funded, including tuition fee, the living allowance, the round ticket toward and away from Sweden, and also the health insurance, as well as other stuff. So the payment for the coverage is equivalent, if you convert the amount, is equivalent to $1,200 for masters who will be starting. So let's get started. We are on the website, official website. The link you'll find on the decision box below about step by step how to apply. But note, in this one, you need to pay the application fee when you're applying to universities. And for masters, you have the option to apply up to 4 universities. Let's get started. I don't need to waste much of your time. We are on the official website for the Swedish Institute of Scholarship, and this scholarship is covered by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. As we can see here, if we scroll down, we can see the overview, important information. The deadline is February 8, and it's just available for autumn studies. So you can see here down what is included. I don't know, you can read the other of the information, but let's go to the eligibility, which is more important over here. The student from Bangladesh, Bolivia, Brazil, either Nigeria, Honduras, Indonesia, Tanzania, Tunisia, Uganda, Vietnam, Zambia. This one will be granted this scholarship also includes a travel grant of almost 15,000 for entire study period, which will be almost 1,500 something, or I don't know, you can convert, guys. And for students from Armenia, Azerbaijan, Belarus, Georgia, Moldova, Russia, Federation, Turkey, Ukraine, the scholarship will include the travel grant of 10,000 for entire period. 10,000 is equivalent to $1,200 according to today's conversion. But this scholarship does not cover the additional grant for family members, does not cover also the application fee to universities admission. So let me take you to how the application is done. The criteria you can read for your own. You have seen the countries eligible over there and other stuff. Who can apply, you can read. So before going to the application procedure, let's talk about the necessary documents to have when you're applying. The documents required, we need to have the motivational letter, which is very important. Make it to stand out so that you can differentiate you from a cloud of applicants. You need also to have the CV you can create, which is a portfolio of your background details, curriculum vitae they call it, and the letter of reference. You need to make it a valid, complete proof of work and leadership experience. So for this one, on the letter of reference, you need the letter of reference maybe from the former institute which you graduated your bachelor degree, but also need the letter of reference that they prefer also to have almost 2 maybe letters, you see, maybe 2. The other one should be, they prefer most to be coming from the volunteerism, the NGOs where you volunteer without getting paid and other stuff for the reference and other stuff for work and other stuff. So if you have even here for the valid completed proof of work and leadership experience, it is better if you are more volunteering and other stuff, volunteerism, non-NGOs which you attended, some of them you should put over there, and a copy of your valid passport. Those are the documents we require over here to apply. You can read much over here, and you can see here you can click on the motivation letter. You see what do they require, choose like a guidance on how to make it. When you come to the CV, the same letter of reference, you click over there, you see the guidance to how it should be from the employer on behalf of your employer and other stuff. So you can check for your own here when you are applying. So let's come to the application, how to apply here down. So how to apply? First, you need to apply for a master's program at a particular university. From there is whereby you can apply for this scholarship. So you need to apply to apply for securing admission at a particular university, and you have the option to apply up to up to 4 universities. And each university you find they have the application fee which varies. So you need to pay for the application fee at a particular university. So this when can you apply for the master program at a particular university? You can apply from 16 October 2020 up to January 15, 2021. That's the entire period where you can apply for this master program at a particular university. The moment you finish to apply, they'll send you a verification which will have almost 8 characters, to which you can use it to apply now on the Global Professional Scholarship. And this application you can make it from 8th February up to 18th February 2021. From there, it go another stage, which is stage 3, as you can see on the screen, which is notification from the university admission. It will be on 9th April 2021. From there also there'll come the announcement of Swedish Institute scholarship recipients, 28 April 2021. So the first thing you need to do over here, you need to apply to the university. When you apply, you can apply up to 4 universities, as I said, but you'll be paying tuition fee at a particular university. So let's go and try to see how can you apply. You can click on here, apply for master program, and you'll find the link of university's admission, which the deadline will be 15th January. So you can apply even before from now. So click there, and they say once you have submitted your masters, you will get the personal application number, which you'll use with 8 digits. So click university application, and it will bring you over here where if you know the particular university which you want to get enrolled in, you can just type here and search for the university. But if you don't know it, you can just you can just search for the courses. Maybe course, you search for the course. But when you search for the course, the best thing to do here, we should register. From registering, so that when you keep our selection, it will be very quick and to do that and precise. How do we do that? Click on the part for login. Then they'll bring you here. You can see now we got the login, email, or Swedish ID number, password, forgot. But for us, because we are new, don't have an account, so we'll click create an account. When you click create an account, it will bring you over here. So do you have a Swedish ID or no? So you click no, then it pops out. You are legal. You need to put your first name and last name. If you have 3 names, first name, put your first name and your middle name. Last name, put your surname. Date of birth as on your birth certificate or your passport. Gender, address, how your country exactly do you use the address symbol. And so option in case another person or company will receive and take care of your emails, you can keep the city, the country, mobile number to which they can contact. Put your own mobile number. If you are far, you can use your parental email address. You need to confirm your email and put the password and confirm the password. Make it to be strong. After there, you can either allow here to receive notification from third party for marketing purpose from the university when they have the offers and other stuff they should send you through email. You accept, click yes, or you can click no if you don't want. And you need to check I'm not a robot. Then you need to choose here like to verify that. After you are done that, you click create an account. But for me, I already created an account, so what I'm gonna do, I'll just go and log in. We need to do to log in, so I'll just click on email, and there I go. Simple. Yeah, there we have gone. So after you come to this page now, you need to come to, you don't have any application, so you can just choose the my selection and you come here down, find the courses and the program. It will bring us back there, but now we are logging in. We have already, so you can just search. Maybe I want to apply for business administration. Maybe click find the course, it will pops out here the different both program all university. You can use filters to get the university, but make sure when you see these courses over here, these which are green dotted over here, that means are still open for the intake of autumn, so we can apply because the application period is 16 October up to January 15. But these which are others, yellow dotted, application period not open, so we can't apply. So you can check, maybe I want to apply for master's program in business administration and accounting. Click, you can show more, you read more of the tuition fee and other stuff, courses there, language offered, level, instruction time, maybe daytime, you wanna get enrolled at the evening courses and other stuff. Then when you are done, satisfied with every condition available, click select and it will be added on our application. So let me go to my selection. You can add up like this, you can select up to 4 universities if you want, but if you are sure about your admission and you are precise, like focused on a particular university, just click one university and you are ready to go. If you have good results and you are sure I'll secure admission through my performance, my GPA and other stuff, then you come here. I've selected only one courses program, priority, submit application. So priority selection, I've already taken one, so submit. If I had taken 4, they would have shown up here. Then stage 2, which is submit my application, and stage 3 is confirmation. So I can click submit, start application. So priority is already selected, only one. Then I click continue, then submit application. I choose here, select, you select the country to which you are coming from. For me, I'll select from Tanzania, where is it? Here we go, United Republic of Tanzania. The application fee, maybe you have read, and do I need to pay the fee? In general, if you are not a citizen of European Union, country of Switzerland, you are required to pay the application fee. You can find out more about the application fees over here. Then you click submit, you go to the next, which is last stage for confirming the application. You must verify your fee exemption, plus you must pay the application fee before going on to this stage. So once you go on, you pay the application fee. From the previous part when I showed you, this is step 2, submit application. When you read on the application fee and how do you pay for that. After you are done paying, you can confirm, you put all the detail, you submit your application. After submitting your application, you receive those 8 digits, which you can use them for going back now to our application, and we can go on with the second step. After you submit your application, is whereby you can go on with other stages. Apart from submitting your application, no anything can be done. So that's how the application is done. You should submit the application. When you submit the application, it should not be late than the date indicated for the last date for the application and other stuff. You pay your admission fee. After that, is whereby you can go on with second stage. So I can't show you here because I didn't pay the application fee. After you pay, is whereby from February to that, you can apply for professional scholarships. So you'll be eligible after you apply to a particular university in Sweden and pay the application fee. But the application fee is non-refundable. As they say here, they submit your receipt of the application fee and supporting document by university admission before deadline. This side where we're applying before deadline. After that, you can go on with other stages. So hope you find the video helpful on stage by stage how to secure admission and how do you pay and other stuff. So I'll see you in another video. Any question, drop on the comment section, like the video and subscribe if you're new here.